Hi there, students. A boondoggle, a countable noun. Okay, this is an expensive piece of work that is absolutely pointless. It's unnecessary, especially when it's paid for by the public. So I think governments are always proposing and carrying out boondoggles. Yeah, this is where they spend a fortune on something that's absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, it's just a waste of money, but the taxpayers are paying for it, and therefore, for them, it's not a problem. I think voters are fed up of paying for boondoggles, an expensive program, an expensive idea that's a waste of money, a waste of public money. Yeah. Okay, so this is the idea of a boondoggle. Notice this word is an American word. This is very, very American. And I've been trying to find a good British English synonym for it, but I can't. I mean, a wasteful project, an unnecessary project. Yeah, to spend time on a wasteful and unnecessary project. Bureaucratic boondoggling. There you go. There's a boondoggle as a verb as well. Okay, so an impractical project that involves lots of hard work, and the money, who knows where it's going to go? It's unnecessary. It'll probably be over budget. And you'll probably find that certain politicians' friends or family or business associates will make huge amounts of money for it. You could refer to an official organisation as a boondoggle. That, in British English, I could refer to as a quango, an organisation. But the activity, well, more difficult. So I don't know what. I would be interested to know what projects your governments are carrying out that you consider to be boondoggles. One of the great boondoggles around here is to commission a statue by a famous artist. And then you get a budget of €500,000, and then you go to the famous artist and say, so which of you artists are prepared to do it for €100,000, but you need to give me a receipt for 500,000. And somebody's still very happy to do it for 100,000, and that's definitely one of the local boondoggles. Yeah, a futile, unnecessary project financed by public funds that very often involves the disappearance of capital or money. Yeah, a project funded by the government. Yeah, which comes from political favoritism, but is no value to the community, is no value to people. Yeah, a wasteful government project, a waste of time, something absolutely pointless. Okay, so boondoggle formality. It's an American one. I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing just about, but don't use it in something very formal. And then the origin's quite interesting. The origin actually comes from scouting, from the scouts. And a boondoggle is a small ring of leather which the scouts have to make in order to hold the handkerchief that goes round their neck. Yeah, you could call it a woggle as well. And maybe some people imagine that the scouts are wasting their time. Yeah, they're just keeping the children busy. And I think that's the idea. So a boondoggle, an expensive project that is wasteful. It's spending public money, but for no reason at all. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Boondoggle.